My name is Abhishek. To tell me about myself, uh, I was born in India, so I did my schooling and my bachelor's in electronics and communication degrees back home. And after that, I did my internship at BNY Mellon Technologies, where I learned several coding skills and uh, other topics related to the finance field. Uh, then, due to my good performance, I was able to intake directly into the uh, full-time position as an application developer. I worked there until March of 2019. Then after that, I decided to do my master's in electrical engineering. Then I looked at several other universities and finally decided to do my UOW Australia. Then during my time here in UOW, I was involved in several co-curricular and extracurricular activities, such as being involved as a member in the UOW Motorsport and the Aerospace Club. So that's it about me. The time I worked in a diverse team. At the end of year one, I we had an induction session at the UW Motorsport where several other members were put together in a team under a manager where we supposed to work on a presentation to present it towards at the end of the uh, induction to present it to the whole club. Uh, So we had 3 weeks of time to compile the research data related to that presentation and work together as a team to present it to the club. So what we did is that since the manager said you can take your time to do that. Since my other team members didn't take any initiative. I took the initiative to contact my other team members, say that these are the tasks, so these are the subdivisions of the task, and I'm taking these two topics under the subtasks. So I need you to decide what topics you wanted to do. So once they decided to do what topics they want, we had a regular weekly meetings with our manager to keep track whether we are doing a task or not. So at the end of the 3 weeks, all the research data has been done and sent it to me. I compiled a presentation and we made sure that we practice the presentation so that we can present it flawlessly to our uh, audience who are much more experienced in the subject. So after we compiled all the data, we presented as expected. We presented on types of three phases motor and how a radial motor is different from an axial motor, and how is the torque, how is the efficiency, what's the difference between synchronous and induction motor. So these were the topics that we talked about, and how is the design and function. These were the other things related to it. The You can ask how diverse is this team. So um, my one of my teammates is from Vietnam, and my other teammate was a local domestic engineer. So we hadn't had much team bonding experience because that was during the COVID-19 situation. So, but we made sure that we gave a pretty good presentation, and we got uh, good remarks from our manager on that point. Okay, my technical competence. Okay, this was during my final year, my bachelor's. During my seventh semester, we had to do our final year project. This was the first phase. So we had three other teammates who are interested, who are put together to do this project. Since we didn't have much options of our teammates, so we decided to do an ATM security team with a biometric lock system and a GPS system. So most of our technical how we could analyze the patterns of our fingerprints and how we could develop an interface between the bank system and the biometric system. And this was a two-factor authentication. So once you have a biometric put in, there is a the system would send a message to the your mobile so that you could enter in your one-time password in, so that the system can authenticate you, that you are only accessing your system, so no one else can access the system with your biometrics as well. So we had a problem with handling our GPS time system during the simulation part. So what I did was I was able to separate all the necessary parts of the system. I was able to analyze what was going on each and another. So we are using a big controller. Um, well, until or I mean, the biometric system parts were much easier, making much more sense. The only part was sending the message from the system to the mobile, because the server was not able to handle the that kind of stress uh, from the system. So what we did was we were able to reduce the pattern analyzation that was taking for biometric system, and we changed it to a normal pin type system. So by using the system, we were able to reduce the load on the server, and the server was able to send the GPS message to the mobile communication device, so that the two-factor authentication can take place seamlessly. You can see what's the difference between the biometrics and the normal PIN system. A PIN system is just a normal four-letter or a multiple letter string, but it takes one input. But the biometric patterns, once you put your fingerprints in, it has to recognize uh, certain patterns of your from your fingerprint to analyze whether it is you or not. Uh, but the pattern analyzation processor was not that powerful, since we are using a normal pick controller. So we just switched. So by analyzing our pros and cons, we switched it into a pin system, so that the GPS message can be transferred seamlessly, because the message contains the location of ATM wallets, at what time, at what location. So these were the details of the message. So that's about my technical competence. So the questions, uh, uh, in the in the advertisement, you didn't talk about your salary. So can I know what's the salary? And you didn't talk about the position as well. Will this position be a rotating type position or a stagnant type position? So that's about it. Thank you.